Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel The Law Code. In this video we are going to talk about the first paper of first semester of LLB from Kanpur University, that is Constitutional Law First. Let's get started. First question is, who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Correct answer is Shri C. Rajgopalachari. Which was the first country to get a written constitution? That is America. Which part of the Constitution reflects the ideas and ideals of the farmers of the Constitution? That is Preamble. Which four objectives have been mentioned in the Preamble of the Indian Constitution? That is justice, sovereignty, equality, and fraternity. The Preamble of the Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. Who is considered the highest source of power? That is Constitution of India. The Constitution defines and determines the relationship between various institutions and areas of government, executive, legislature, and judiciary, central government, state government, and local governments. How many articles and schedules were there in the original Indian Constitution? They are 395 articles and 8 schedules. How many parts are present in the Constitution of India? 22 parts. Who is called the author of the Constitution of Independent India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Indian Independence Act 1947 came into effect in 18th July 1947. On 9th of December, who presided over the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 1946? Correct answer is Sri Sachidanand Sinha or S.N. Sinha. Which day is celebrated as Constitution Day? 26th November. On which day the Constitution of India came into force? 26th January 1950. Which Indian artist has furnished a handwritten copy of the Constitution? Nandlal Bose. Who has been described as the heaven of advocates? The Constitution of India. From where the idea of preamble has been obtained by the Indian Constitution? From the US Constitution. Preamble is a part of Constitution. Yes, it is a part of Constitution. The preamble of the Constitution of India covers everyone except whom? Adult suffrage. Which word appears first in the preamble of the Constitution of India? That is justice. Preamble has been amended by which amendment? 22nd Amendment. By which amendment of the preamble of the Constitution the sovereign democratic republic was replaced by the words sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic? 42nd Amendment effective from 3/1/1977. By which amendment the words secular and socialist were included in the preamble? 42nd Amendment. By which amendment the words unity and integrity of the nation were included in the preamble of Constitution of India? 42nd Amendment. In which year these two words socialist and secular were added in the preamble of Indian Constitution? 1976. The word socialist was added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by section 2 of the 42nd Amendment. By whom was the word secular included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India. What words have been included in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976? Socialist, secular, and integrity. Fundamental rights are contained in which part of Indian Constitution? Part 3. Definition of state under Article 12 of the Constitution applies on Part 3 and Part 4 of the Constitution. Is not included in the state under Article 12 of the Constitution. Any god. For the purpose of Article 12 of the Constitution, what is a state? Indian Oil Corporation. A corporation is a state for the purpose of enforcement of fundamental rights if it is an agency or instrument of the government. Under which article the laws inconsistent with or abridged by fundamental rights have been declared void? Article 13. What is the purpose of Article 13 of Indian Constitution? Ensuring that fundamental rights are made paramount. According to Article 13, 3 of the Constitution of India, the law is included. Any ordinance over bylaw regulation, notification, custom or practice imparted by law in the territory of India. The law enforced in Clause 3 of Article 13 means constitutional law, conventions and practices are included in the law under Article 13(3) of the Constitution. Ordinance, order by law, regulation, notification, custom or practice imparted by law in the territory of India. The principle of eclipse is related to which article? Article 13. In Hindi, the principle of eclipse is known as Achhadan ka Siddhant. The principle of eclipse applies on all post-constitutional and pre-constitutional laws. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides the right of judicial review of legislative works? Article 13. Which article has the right to equality? Article 14 to 18. Which article of law is in force? Article 14. Article 14 of the Constitution of India is limited to any person. What is the marriageable age of a boy and a girl 21 years and 18 years should be differentiated by law? Article 14 of the Constitution. Article 15 of the Constitution prohibits discrimination between citizens, religion, race, caste, gender, birthplace, or any one of these. Which amendment was the most comprehensive amendment of the Constitution? 42nd Amendment. First constitutional amendment was passed in 1951. Constitution Amendment Acts by which of the following reducing the voting age from 21 to 18 years was done? 61st. The anti-defection provision in the Constitution was implemented by which constitutional amendment? 52nd Amendment. Goods and Services Tax has been implemented by which Constitution Amendment Act? 101st. What is the constitutional importance of Keswanand Bharti case of the principle for propounding the theory of basic infrastructure of Constitution? So that's all in this video. For more, do subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, do share and subscribe and press the notification bell all. Thanks for watching.